careful with leopards.
Okay.
Oh, I thought like, why is like, tell me, cause it's like bags.
All right.
La verga. Huh? Of course. After this, I deserve a beer.
Okay, so another wizard, so this way.
No. Yeah.
It's a joke only, okay? So this way. Okay. This is Born Again. All right. Oh, be careful, sir. Baba mo yung paa mo, sir. Ayan. Sige, sir. Dito tayo. Yung ulo, sir, pakamuntog tayo. Ayan lang. Yes, ma'am. This is rock terraces. Ma'am, yung una yung paa natin na to, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yan.
Daan. Sige, daan-daan lang po, ma'am.
Tapos?
Baba mo lang to, ma'am, kasi mas maganda kapag dyan lang po yan, ma'am. Sige lang po. Push lang, ma'am. Sige lang, ma'am. Push mo lang yung body mo. Sige lang. Buhat mo yung katawan mo, ma'am. Oops, baba natin to, ma'am. Baba natin to. Baba pa, ma'am. Sa kabila po, ma'am. Dapat sa kabila. Ayan. Tapos yung isa po baba mo, ma'am. Ayan. Then, dahan-dahan lang po yung pagbaba. Careful. Alright. Amazing. It's a gore. Perfect. Ma'am, dito tayo dadaan, no? Dito po, dito.
Ay,
Dito.
dito.
Yeah.
Tapos?
Dito, ma'am. Sige lang, ma'am. Punta
You're not
dito, ma'am.
fitting here. So you stay there. Grabe pala pag chubby ka dyan, no?
Ay, oo, ma'am.
Paano pag yung mga chubby na ano nyo, hindi sila nakakalusot?
Hindi, nakakalusot lang man po lahat ng pinapakyat namin dito, ma'am. Bato po yung nag-adjust po.
You stay there. Hindi ka kasya dito.
Baba mo yung pa, ma'am. Baba mo, ma'am. Ayan. Tapos ito, ma'am. Tanda lang po.
Ulong. Ay! Diyos ko, Mayo. Marimar Pulgoso. Okay?
Yes.
Tapos and then?
Sige, ma'am. Baba lang po tayo dito, ma'am.
Oh my God, wow.
Alright, man, that's it. Have a nice life.
Kunin mo yung
Give
ilaw.
me the light.
This is my phone now.
Give me the light. Oh, give me the light. Bye-bye. Hindi ka na sana ano dito.
Oh, be careful, sir.
It's no joke.
There's something else here?
Yes, sir.
No, damn it. How do you do
Careful.
this every day, man? What is? Show me what is.
Careful, your head.
Alright, amazing. It's a ball.
What is it? Okay. Okay. I thought it was like.
Alright, so welcome to Rock Terraces. So this is a crab.
I told you. Ayan, the crab. There's a crab here.
You put it there. It's not natural.
Okay, so this way.
I told you.
Alright. Be careful. Yes, ma'am.
You don't want to do that, bro. You don't want to do that. That's bad biz.
What?
Bad biz.
I still matter.
Ang sarap pa naman ng pagkakaligo niya. Ay, pagkakalagay niya sa
Okay, nilagay sa ulo eh.
Okay.
Be careful, sir.
Careful. Is that the holy water?
This is a holy shit.
Holy shit.
That's holy shit. Literally. Holy shit.
Okay, so this way.
That's not all?
Hindi pa, ma'am.
Put the ladder. You say 40 minutes? We've been here for like 2 hours.
Okay, so let's go. So this is aircon, sir. Yeah.
AC. What if you can stay there?
Bring me beer.
Yung kung lang. Ay, sige, sige. Okay na.
If you can stay there, what are you doing?
Just the beer and cigarette,
And sleep.
he will survive.
Oh, careful lang, ma'am. Yuko lang po tayo.
Yuko, ah.
Yuko lang po.